I'm sick, and I'm gonna cough and a hack during this whole video, but I just wanna let you know that I love you, and this is for you, and yeah, okay. Sorry if I messed up. I still know the song already, so. It falls, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stay in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true, and the games you'd play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. When it burned, well, I cried 'cause I heard it scream out your name, your name. I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing gets better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true, and the games you'd play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. When it burned, well, I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. When it fell, something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time, Sometimes I wake up by the door that your heart, your cup must be waiting for ya. Even now, when we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for ya. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. When it burned, well, I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. When it fell, something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time, Oh no,